Hey, so if you want to organize data, track expenses, create tables, or work online with spreadsheets, yeah, Google Sheets is one of the easiest tools to learn. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Google Sheets step by step in 2026. First, open Google Sheets from your browser or mobile app and sign into your Google account. Click the blank spreadsheet option to create a new sheet. Rows run horizontally and columns run vertically. Each box is called a cell. Click any cell and start typing numbers, text, or dates. Use bold text, colors, borders, and alignment tools to organize your sheet better. Google Sheets supports formulas like sum, average, and count for calculations. You can resize columns, freeze rows, and sort data for easier viewing. Click the Share button to collaborate with friends, classmates, or coworkers in real time. Google Sheets also offers templates for budgets, schedules, invoices, and more. Because it's cloud-based, you can access your spreadsheets from any device. And yeah, that's it. That's how you use Google Sheets for work, school, budgeting, and everyday productivity in 2026.